Hello, hi traders. Welcome to my channel. Today I done some trades. So let me show you. So this is my first trade. I lose this one because the sellers was moving in this direction. So I thought after this candle buyers sellers will enter, as because if we see there is a round number and there is a level 2. So buyers should enter up to till here, and they must sellers should enter after that. But when the market hit this price, sellers entered immediately. So it shows that sellers wants to enter in the market. So next candle was a seller, and the level was here and the level was here. So again the sellers should enter. So sellers entered. So after the breakout, buyers entry. So because of level, buyers entered. So here what they're showing, so sellers is still interested in the market, so we can expect another a sellers candle. But because of this buyers, and because of, if we see here, whenever market reaches at this point, buyers are entering continuously. Again buyers should enter, again buyers enter. So it happened like, because of the this one market pattern, whenever market hit us this price, buyers are entering at least two candles. Because of that I didn't see that one, so I placed here a lower option and I lose this one. This is my first trade. So this is my second trade. So I waited here, as because after these buyers I thought buyers may enter, because of sellers was here, and it shows that buyer interest in the market, buyers wants to enter. So as I see, so here sellers are also interested. So because of this weakness, sellers enter, and because of the level SNR level, actually I drawn here a SNR level. You can see here reversed again, it getting reversed. So I waited here too. So again, when next candle was a bias, it confirms me that market wants to move up. Already it's showing here also, here only market wants to go up. Here they showed very strongly. So only I went with higher option. So we'll see for third trade. So this is also a same topic, but here again buyers entry. So strong sellers entered. So strong sellers entered. So we can expect a sellers candle. But who entered? Buyers candle. So buyers showing their interest in the market. So if you see, other traders will show this is the engulfing pattern, sellers area. Sellers are entering very strongly from this point. So if you see, two sellers are entering, two sellers are entering, so we can expect another seller. But here if we see, already it's showing buyers are entering very strongly. Instead of sellers, buyers entered. So again, instead of sellers, buyers entered. So again buyers, sellers enter. So again buyers will enter. Instead means sellers should enter here, but they are not entering. So here also sellers should enter, but who entered? Buyers. So we should consider this also. So I waited here. So I thought after this sellers may enter, because of this weakness and rejection, and sellers are also strong. Because of that sellers may enter. But again I waited, because of, let me see, if sellers entered I can go with the sellers. When buyers entered, I see this one. When market break this level, this seller's entry point, so I waited. If it closes below this point, I used to go for a lower option, but it broke the level. So I placed here a higher option. This is also a short. We can trade like this, and this is my fourth trade, as because sellers entered next candle. So I thought again buyers may enter, because of, already we are seeing, whenever sellers wants to enter, buyers are pushing the market. So again sellers should enter. If you see weakness in the buyers and strong sellers and the sellers area, so everything is there. So I thought buyers may enter, but again sellers entry. So it shows that market wants to go down. So only these sellers entered. So when these sellers entered, already we know buyers level was here, and there is no level to go with higher option, and there is no opportunity also. So only I placed here a lower option here, and this is that's a continuation sign too. So if we see here, in this is euro GBP pair. So when I see this candle, actually this is the buyer, this buyer is interested candle. If I shown you previously, see buyers entered, so buyers entry. So after that it couldn't able to break the level, so only sellers entered. Okay, but here it broken this level, same topic, same situation, but here it broken, here it didn't broke, right? So sellers entered. So because of this trend line, again buyers entered. So next candle it shows me that sellers wants to continue because it made a new low and buyers are entering from this one, and there is a gap too. So only I placed here a lower option. So here if you see the market was moving in this direction previously. Later on it convert to the trend, so it's a strong bearish momentum. I see one single candle. Next candle I thought it may go, we can go with the sellers, but I don't wanted to go for uh, higher option there only. I thought after this strong sellers, buyers may enter, because after breakout of this level, buyers entered strongly and made a new high. You can see here. When again market broke this level, there might be some chances to enter again a buyers. But I placed here a lower option because of this moment. Because of this moment, or else I used to go with the higher option only after this one. So after that, when I see this red candle, like it confirms me that market wants to go down. But I wondered that one, because after this breakout also buyers entered very strongly and made a new high, but again sellers entered, but again still sellers are only entering. So I thought sellers may enter. So I thought it may, let me take a lower option only, but I wanted with some margin of safety. So only I placed bit higher. I waited market to reach upper side, so I placed with margin of safety. So I thought it must be the seller's candle, but again buyer's entry. So after that you can see here, when sellers didn't enter in this candle, it shows us that market wants to reverse the market. So only again next candle was a bias, so it didn't made a new high also. So we should not consider this one. When this bias entered, we can consider this candle, we can go for a higher option. So this is the confirmation, this one is the interested candle still, because of the level sellers entered. Okay, so next candle it has to be bias, but if you see here market is moving in this direction, so only we have to wait here. After one bullish movement only we can't able to go with higher option. So if we wait, next candle was a seller, so it shows us that sellers wants to continue, because as we see market wants to go down. So here we can place here a lower option. So these are my trades. So I took around 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 trades, because one I lose that one. So these are my trades, and if you people are interested on my course, you can join. So in that one I will consider only one-on-one course. So in that one we will see levels, candlestick behavior, market types, SNRs, market patterns, and forex chart, which we needed, personality development like control over trading, over practice and blind trade, increase of patience while trading, and it will be like 11 days of training. In that one, after 6 to 7 days we will go for live. So my prices will be $100. So if you are interested, you can contact me. My contact details, it is in description. So thank you for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.